Hi, I'm Brianna with Bonanza, and I'm here to talk to you about TurboTraffic, where to find it, and what it can do for your sales. TurboTraffic works alongside our advertising program and Google Shopping's paid advertising to boost the visibility of your listings. You'll first want to make sure you're opted into Bonanza's advertising program at a level of 9% or higher. We offer multiple advertising levels, but 9% will unlock the Google Shopping advertising. There are a couple different ways you can get TurboTraffic. The first is through a membership. You can sign up for a membership on your selling dashboard. It's free to set up a booth and list items for sale on Bonanza, but we do offer optional paid memberships that afford additional benefits. Both the Platinum and Titan levels will receive TurboTraffic as part of their membership, up to 7 days for the Platinum membership and up to 25 days of TurboTraffic for the Titan level. If you don't want a paid membership, you can still buy individual TurboTraffic packs. From the advertising page, select the TurboTraffic Packs link. These individual packs will boost traffic to your booth for a short period of time. You can buy multiple packs at a time, which will run back to back. Select how many packs you want to purchase, and you can select how you want the TurboTraffic to be used. Down below, you'll have the option to opt into auto renewal, which will purchase another pack as soon as the last one runs out. Even if you have a paid membership, you can still buy individual TurboTraffic packs. If TurboTraffic is running, you'll see a graph at the top of your booth stats page. Right under the graph, you'll see your average daily page views while TurboTraffic was running and how it compares to when TurboTraffic wasn't running. You'll see similar information for your average daily sales and your revenue per day. How long your TurboTraffic will last depends on a couple different factors. Having a membership that comes with TurboTraffic. A higher advertising level can mean longer TurboTraffic. Stores with conversion rate above 1% can generate more TurboTraffic. And the more clicks you get, the faster TurboTraffic is spent. As always, we want sellers to be in control, so sellers have the ability to not only control how TurboTraffic should be used, but also hand select which items receive TurboTraffic. Choose one of the volume options and get the maximum traffic and page views quickly. If you prefer to make your budget last, choose one of the value options. Below, see if any specific items need attention before they can be advertised, and you can select which items you want to receive TurboTraffic. People shop all year round, but certain times of the year draw more business than others, like the holidays. Keep the TurboTraffic packs in mind if you're looking to add a little extra good cheer around those times of year. At Bonanza, we build tools to make your selling life easier. To learn more, visit our help pages at www.bonanza.com.